G'day Internet, it's Will from Pig Creek Homestead. I've just spent the afternoon repairing our creek crossing due to all this bloody willow that we've got here that we need to remove. It is an invasive species and was blocking up our culvert under the creek here. But with the Multione and I don't have it connected at the moment, but with the mini digger attachment and so forth, I was able to dig all the willows out around the crossing here. And in doing so, I discovered we've got a spring coming out right here. Look at that crystal clear water. So what I've done is to protect it, I've just covered it with some stones and so forth. Just so it doesn't get covered up again and filled up with crap. That's the water coming down off Tower Hill, which is way up the back there. But yeah, got a fair bit of work to do. Got to clean up these willows. I want to do some leaky weirs and so forth. So on the when the weather is not cooperating and things are a bit dry, we can get that fixed up. So on this side of the crossing, still got some willows and all that to clear up here, just so it doesn't back up right here. But yeah, fair bit of work to do, and smooth things out on the track a bit. That's what I've got on it at the moment, is the leveler, and ready for a load of gravel. That way we can get in and out to the old farmhouse. Anyway, just thought I'd share a little bit of an update. It's not a huge amount of work going on at the moment. Things have been pretty wet, but it's just started to dry out enough for me to get in and do some odd jobs.